First there was darkness, then there was a flame. On it was a kadhai. Before you could say tikka masala, spices simmered, flavors mingled, ingredients bubbled, and cuisine was born. This is not only the celebration of cuisine, but also the most unusual face-off between India and Pakistan. This is Foodistan. Earlier on Foodistan, our first team challenge was a close battle. Being an India-Pakistan match, it had to be. The result, a tense 1-point victory in India's favour. Tonight, will Pakistan pay back? Or is India in overdrive from last time? To kickstart our second team challenge, here's Ali Khan.
You know, yesterday you were resplendent in coral, Team India. Today you're dressed in green, Team Pakistan, undoubtedly.
I'm unbiased. I'm just a colourful girl, Ali.
And a very clever one. Namaskar and adabars. Good evening to all you food lovers. Barely 24 hours after we tasted delectable cuisines like the Sherazad biryani and of course the Française-inspired Firni Brûlée, new tastes await to assail us. Honestly, if this isn't heaven, then we must be really close to it. So let's get started.
But hang on, before we get started, we can't possibly start the competition without those who matter the most in this cook-off, the judges. Please help us welcome the judges, the demigods of Foodistan. Actress by profession, foodie at heart, Sonia Jahan.
Hi guys.
Sonia, sweet tooth on high again?
Yes, I'm really looking forward to the dessert. I loved the energy yesterday. I think it's going to be an exciting evening tonight.
Thanks very much, Sonia. Let's just hope you don't break any more Pakistani hearts tonight. And now, gourmet prince, the one and only Veer Sanghvi.
Hey, Ali.
Veer, the ladies next to you, resplendent, fairly skeptical about the fish biryani yesterday. What do you guys reckon is going to happen today?
Well, I don't know about what's going to happen today, but I will tell you about these ladies because when they saw the fish biryani, they both said, how can you do a fish biryani? When it came, it was delicious. Now they're saying things like, why can't we do prawn biryanis? Why can't we do crab biryanis, lobster biryani? Complete conversions.
Thank you, Veer.
And to top it all off, the icing on the cake, one of England's top chefs, Marylise Parker.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, Marylise. Good to have you here. How are you feeling tonight?
Well, as usual, I'm hungry, I'm ready. Bring on more fabulous food is what I say.
Well, you're looking lovely. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And now, let's move along and meet tonight's real stars, the teams. First, a team of chefs who have produced cuisines from Bengal to Baltistan and beyond. They're experienced, they're innovative, and they're very, very hungry for success. Please welcome Team India.
Team that I'm facing today is really good, and if I have to beat them, I have to put my best foot forward.
I agree that we have a lot of pressure on our shoulder. All four of us have different strength, and we're going to play to our strength and give our best.
We are not going to take it lightly, and it is going to be a tough competition for sure.
We're going to cut right, we're going to cook right, we're going to present the plate right, we're going to assemble it right. Let the razzmatazz begin.
Please welcome Team India, Captain Nimish Bhatia, Girish Krishnan, Sunil Chauhan, and of course Rajiv Arora.
Team India's opponents are a band of equally gifted chefs. They can fry, bake, broil, roast and toast with the best in the business because they are the best in the business. Here's Team Pakistan.
एक रियलिटी शो है तो इसमें थोड़ा सा एक दूसरे से नाराज़गी नहीं हो, आपने इजी फील करना और आसानी से आपने अपना काम को सरंजाम देना है।
अच्छा, जो हमारे चौथे मेंबर हैं वो आज ही आए थे, साकिब हैं वो, और ही इज़ अ वेरी यंग गाय, और उनके साथ हमें थोड़ी देर बैठने को मिला, बातचीत करने को मिला, और ही इज़ नॉट दैट एक्सपीरियंस, मगर वो बहुत उसमें वो था कि मैं कर लूँगा, आप जो बताएंगे वो मैं करूँगा।
मैं जा रहा हूँ कंपटीशन के लिए और मेरे ज़हन में प्रेशर तो नहीं है।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह चैलेंज हम जीत पाएंगे, इसलिए कि जीतने के लिए तो आए हैं, तो ज़ाहिर है शेफ़ों के साथ कंपटीशन होता है, एक एक टीम तो हारती है, लेकिन कि हम कोशिश हमारी यही है, इसी के लिए हम आए हैं और यही हमारा एम है कि हम जीत के जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह।
Team Pakistan, Chef Mohammad Ikram, Chef Amir Iqbal, Chef Noor Khan and Chef Mohammad Saqib. Well, since there's such a diversity in Desi cuisine, we're going to stick to the same menu as we had for our last team challenge. It's curry versus curry, kebab versus kebab, biryani versus biryani, and dessert versus dessert.
Thanks very much for that, Ira. Chefs, aap logon ke liye, this is extra challenging. You have to produce the same meal, but obviously something different to impress our very knowledgeable judges. I suggest that aap log ek huddle kar le, ek team meeting kar le, discuss what you need to do because the judges are tough nuts to crack.
So while the teams decide their menus, let's quickly run through the rules of the game. They're fairly simple. Each team gets 2 hours to prepare and present their menus. The menus are then sampled, tasted and scored by the judges. The results are tallied. The team with the maximum points wins. Simple as that.
Viewers at home, I'm sure you've understood the rules. Easy peasy. Without further ado, I'm going to request our respective captains. They've had enough time to discuss their menus, time to reveal the menus not only to us at home, but also to the all-important deciding factors, the judges. Starting with Team India, if I can request our captain Nimesh Bhatia to kindly tell us the menu, please.
Sure. The first course, the first dish which we are making is bhindi do rukha, which is bhindi cooked in 2 ways. The next we are doing is dahi tamatar ka mas, lamb prepared with tomatoes and yogurt, and the third one is nazuk murg kofte ki biryani. We're going to make biryani with dumplings of chicken mince, and then the last the dessert course we're doing a firni.
Thanks very much, Nimesh. Does that sound delicious or does that sound super delicious? We've heard what India is going to cook up. Let's hear from Team Pakistan, their captain Mohammad Ikram.
First dish we will prepare kebab hai hamare. वो कबाब रसीले के लाहौरी कबाब है हमारे, स्पेशली प्रिपेयर विद फ्रूट एंड स्पाइसेस एंड लिटिल बिट हर्ब्स. सो इससे हम उसको मेंशन करेंगे, उसके बाद उसको ग्रिल पे बनाएंगे हम. फर्स्ट ये है. और नेक्स्ट वन हमारा है अपना वो जो लैम शिन है, उसको हमने बनाया. चिनोटी हमारा जो कौरमा है, चिनोटी कौरमा लैम शिन से बनेगा. प्रिपेयर विद योगर्ट एंड टोमेटो, ऑनियन, स्पाइसेस, लिटिल बिट हर्ब्स, और उससे ये वो रेडी होगा. तो बिरयानी है हमारी होलदार बिरयानी. होलदार बिरयानी मीन अपना वो लॉबस्टर बिरयानी. सो लॉबस्टर से बनेगी. लॉबस्टर से उसके सारा टेस्ट निकलेगा, अरोमा निकलेगा, उसके साथ बिरयानी को हम बनाएंगे. चटपटी होगी. और नेक्स्ट हमारी अपना स्वीट है वो गोल्डन रसमलाई.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया शेफ. I wish you could have seen this at home. I hope we've managed to get these inserts of our judges' sublime reactions. Merilise and Sonia's face lit up like a 1000-watt bulb when they heard lobster biryani, and Sonia was moving to her own lilting rhythm when she heard about the rasmalai. We know what we're eating. Let's get on with it. For pride, for prestige, for glory, let the battle begin on Foodistan.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.